Everybody's sleeping. I don't know if you can hear him snoring, but they are so loud. Oh! I didn't know you was awake. What are you looking at me like that for? His eyes are, you can't keep them open. He's so tired. It's okay, don't fight it, go to sleep. Why are you looking at me like that? That's so weird. Oh god. Little Teeter, he's snoring. He's tired.